Giadit Gaeilge I mo crí an seo, agus aniu tá an fhísean faoi na bríomhre neamhréalta san Amsir Caite, the irregular verbs in the past tense. I'm going to show you a very effective way to remember them because each of these body parts are going to be associated with each of the verbs, so that'll help you to remember them by the relation to the body part. I bet you'd never drawn a stickman with a heart in the middle. I know it looks weird, but it's going to help you to remember one of the verbs. And the first verb we have is feck, and not feck as in flip or any other derogatory ways of saying it. It just means to see in this context. And the second verb is clush, to hear, which is the reason for the drawing of these incredible ears. Aber means to say. E means to eat. So 2 verbs associated with the mouth, and now there are 4 verbs associated with the arms. First one is BEIR, to catch. Tor, to give. See my little mess up? Forgot about the capitals, gonna draw a small a. Jan, to do or make. And fi, to get. Be, to be. Pretty easy to remember, and the reason for the strangely placed heart on my stickman. Che is to go. And last irregular verb, tar, to come. So that is all the irregular verbs, and now I'm going to show you how they change in the past tense. But remember, E and B follow normal rules for the past tense. If you haven't already, please check out my video for the rules for regular verbs in the past tense in Irish. I'll have it linked in my description. So first of all, feck changes to honnick. Clush changes to hula. E changes to G, so nothing irregular about that. Aber changes to durch. And bear changes to rug. Same pronunciation and spelling as the one you'd find on the floor. Tor changes to hug, like a hug. Fi changes to fur, take away that I, and it becomes cold. Jan, like January, becomes rinne. Tar becomes hanig. Almost there now. Che becomes hui. And Shinne. Oh, wait, I forgot B. It just changes to V. Don't forget to add the pronoun after the verb to specify who's doing the action. I put these on my Instagram. If you want to follow that, you can get extra content every single week. So that is all the irregular verbs in Irish. I really hope that this video is going to make it easier for you to understand and remember them. Don't get too hung up on them. Use the stickman drawing. That really helped me to remember them. Like, I haven't used the stickman in like 4 years, but when I was planning this video, I drew it out and I remembered every single verb. So
photographic memory is useful, you know.
I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that way you will know when I upload the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Gar maigat agus slán lads.